Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's quickly see what's going on with Bitcoin. And clearly we've been just fluctuating between 43,000 and 44,000. Okay, got very close to 45,000, but then we got rejected and we fell back. Okay, now like I explained you in my previous video, if we take a look at this, we know that Bitcoin was creating, it had resistance here. I told you it's going to come here, get some rejection because there is a chance Bitcoin is trying to make something like this. Okay, now I told you this early on when we were here, and that's exactly what's going on. And if you just take this off and just draw a line right over here now. Okay, and you can see that Bitcoin is still making these lower highs. Okay, ignore this at the moment, just focus on this lower highs formation. Okay, and you can see if you take a closer look, so you can see that Bitcoin is trying to make this pattern. Look over here. Okay, and you can see we got support here. Now if we come back up, and I believe we will pump a little bit over here and try to form this kind of pattern. Now if that happens, that's going to be really good because we know this is a bullish pattern, and once we do break to the upside, whenever we break this resistance level, there's a price target towards the upside, and you can clearly see if you take a look, the price is going towards 61,000. Okay, if this happens to break and we break this resistance as well, because there are a couple of resistance level that we need to get through. Okay, now let's take this off and let me show you something else as well. Okay, now if you just go to the daily time frame, and I told you we were getting a little bit overextended in the RSI. Now, because even if you go to the 4-hourly time frame, and you can see we had this bearish divergence that took place. So this cool off was needed, okay? Because you can see the price kept on going up and the RSI went down, okay? So it's a good sign in a way, okay? So now let's take this off and show you something else. So if you take the Fibonacci and you just measure this move, you can see that we are sitting right at the 0.618 level, okay? And now this is the golden pocket for this falling wedge. Now it's a good sign that we are above it and we are just trying to consolidate. But more than that, what I like is this price towards the upside. Okay, so this tells me the bullishness is a little bit stronger than usual. Okay, because I can show you this right over here. When we came at this level, we came up, we came down. This pattern and this pattern, you can see the similarity. Okay, but we had the price where it was just going it was constant basically to the side and made this W pattern and then towards the upside. Okay, you could also look at this as a head and shoulder pattern, inverse head and shoulder pattern, but very similar um, what do you call it, pattern over here. So and we are sitting on the 0.618 level because if you take your just trend line and go to the weekly time frame, and if you come over here, you can see right over here we had so much rejection here. Okay, right over here, rejection points, rejection points. Okay, so no wonder this is a very important level. Not only this is going to be a very important level as well. But once we break 0.618, we can easily come and hit the 50, what is this, 54,746. Okay, the 0.5 Fibonacci level. So slowly, and it's a slow movement, but Bitcoin is creating something very beautiful. Okay, it is going towards the upside because if you take these drawings off, let's take this off as well, and you can see that this let me show you right over here. Let's just do it over there. So if you look at this purple box, you can clearly see Bitcoin is just playing in this box. It's basically, you could call it stuck in a box, and it's just fluctuating between it. I wanted Bitcoin to go a little bit lower maybe, but you can see this support trend line didn't let Bitcoin break towards the downside, because that would bring a lot of bearishness for Bitcoin, because this trend line was the long-term support trend line. And I'm happy to see that Bitcoin respected this trend line, also the 100 moving average. You can see it respected that. So, I mean, it's going according to all the basic rules of trading. Okay, so it has held the 100 moving average, held the support line, and it's in this box at the moment. So, what is this box doing? This box is simply just creating a pattern. Okay, you can see. So if it has a jump over here, we have 1, 2, 3 green candles. Okay, so now if we can get break the 0.618, the next level is 0.5 level. Okay, at what is that? 0.5 level was at. Let's measure it again. I forgot what it was at. 0.5 level is sitting at, oh sorry, 47,951. Okay, so this is the 0.5 level. The next target is yeah, around 47 actually. So let's say, yeah, around, yeah, this is the next level. So if you break 0.618, this is gonna be the target. Okay, and look how beautifully it's just doing everything at the moment. Okay, look at this price chart. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Got out, came down, up, down, up, came down, up, down, up, down. So in a way, the price is getting to a point where there's gonna be a squeeze. Okay, you can see it's getting very volatile because these large accumulation zones we had, it took a long time for the price to break out. You can see over here everything is going quick in a way. Okay, faster movements, broke the trend line, the 50% trend line, got out, hit the resistance, came back, hold the support. So everything is happening a little bit quicker. Okay, because this whole thing over here, okay, what's happening right over here is basically this whole thing over here, but in a faster movement. Okay, and I can actually prove that to you guys. See, this was accumulation. So it broke out, came down, came up, came down. Okay, so you can see this as, let me show you, as this over here, and this over here. Okay, this I feel is this over here. Okay, because it is already creating a big pattern. Okay, last time you created a huge pattern was simply this. Okay, or you could also say simply this right over here. Okay, so I think there is going to be a huge move coming for Bitcoin. If you break this 50% trend line, you can actually see Bitcoin just come up, hit this all-time high, and then try to get to this resistance line. So this is what I'm looking forward to, and I think the way the chart is speaking to me, I think it can happen. Okay, but guys, this is it, and I'm really bullish on Bitcoin right now. So if you like these kind of videos, kindly give me a like, because that tells me you want me to keep making these videos, and it keeps me going. And subscribe to my channel. Okay, and thank you so much for subscribing to my channels. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.